stop for a moment. Just stop. Listen to the silence in this room. Now listen to the noise inside your head. That hum of restlessness. That pressure behind your eyes. The feeling that you should be doing something else. This isn't random. This isn't just stress. This is a signature. It's the footprint of a system you live inside of every single day. A system that was designed, not for your well-being, but for your attention. And the cost of that attention is your peace. Action 1. The diagnosis. You are not broken, you are mismatched. To understand what's happening to you, we need to understand the organ at the center of it all. The human brain. You are carrying a 200,000-year-old piece of hardware into a world it was never built for. Your brain evolved to survive immediate physical threats. Lion. A rival tribe. Its tools are razor sharp. A shot of cortisol to make you run. A burst of dopamine to reward finding food or shelter. These are life-saving features. But now, the lions are everywhere. And they are invisible. Every ding is a potential threat. Every scroll is a potential reward. Your brain's fire alarm, your anxiety, is being pulled 100 times a day. It's not broken. It's exhausted. It's a glitch of context, not of character. And when a system is overwhelmed, it doesn't just get anxious. It shuts down. This is what we call depression. Not always sadness, but a protective numbness. A system-wide shutdown because the world is simply too loud, too fast, and too much. Action 2. The architecture, the modern cage. But this isn't an accident. It's a business model. Your attention is the product being sold. And to capture it, these platforms have built the most sophisticated psychological engine in human history. They don't use claws and teeth. They use something far more powerful. Uncertainty. The pull to refresh is a digital slot machine. The likes are a meter of social acceptance. They have mapped your brain's vulnerabilities better than any doctor, and they are exploiting them in real time. You think you're a user, customer, but in this economy you are the resource. Your time, your focus, your anxiety are all inputs. The more you scroll, the more you compare, the more you feel that gnawing sense of not enough, the more the machine is fed. You are not the customer. You are the product. And a restless, insecure product is a profitable one. Action 3. The reclamation. Building your mental immunity. So here is the choice. You can continue to feed a system that is fundamentally opposed to your peace. Or you can start a rebellion. Quiet, personal rebellion. Number 1. Awareness is armor. The first weapon is awareness. Just understanding that you are in a system changes everything. That feeling of anxiety isn't just you. It's a signal. It's your brain telling you, we are in an environment that is hostile to our peace. Listen to it. Number 2. Reclaim your attention. Your attention is your most valuable asset. It is the fabric of your lived experience. Every time you give it away mindlessly, you are giving away a piece of your reality. Start to be intentional. Curate your space. Prune your feeds. It's not deprivation. It's liberation. Number 3. Seek depth, not dopamine. The system rewards the shallow. The hot take, the viral clip, the reactive comment. Your mind craves depth. It craves a single, meaningful conversation. Craves a walk without a phone. Craves a task you can sink into for an hour without interruption. Feed that part of you. The call to arms. This isn't about deleting your apps. This is about changing your relationship with them. It's about going from being a passenger to being the pilot. You are not broken. You are overloaded. You don't need to be fixed. You need to be cleared. If you're ready to understand these systems, to build mental armor, and to reclaim a mind that feels like your own again, then you are in the right place. This channel is your field manual for the invisible war. Subscribe to Grind Mode 2.0, where awareness isn't comfort. It's control.